Welcome back. Thanks a lot for staying with us. Some breaking developments now coming in. The Supreme Court has granted bail to 8 convicts as far as the Godhra carnage case is concerned, having regard to their period of imprisonment undergone and the role in the crime. They refused to consider a bail application of the 4 other convicts in view of their role. What we're also understanding is the bail has been granted to 8 people, while others have been denied any relief at this stage. The above accused, as we pointed out, were also sentenced to suffer imprisonment for life for the incident and other cognate offences. This is what we're hearing from the court, that they order and direct that they be released on bail subject to conditions of the trial court. Our legal correspondent Ananya Bhatnagar now joining us on the broadcast. Ananya, what are we hearing from the Supreme Court?
Well, certain accused in this case have now been granted bail, while 4 others have been denied any kind of relief at this stage. The court has said that, these people will be granted bail until the pendency of their appeals in this particular case. Remember that the Gujarat government, while the case was being heard initially, had told the Supreme Court that, these people were not only involved in minor offences, but were also accused of pelting stones during the whole Godhra carnage case. And that's the reason why, in fact, the Supreme Court has denied relief to some of them, while has granted bail to 8 of them during the pendency of the appeal that is pending against them.
So, Ananya, as you're rightly pointing out, the Supreme Court has granted bail to about 8 of them. Talk to us about the 8 that have been granted bail. On what basis has this distinction been made?
Well, the distinction has been made basically on the ground that, the Supreme Court has seen the time that these people have gone inside the prison and have served imprisonment. And on the basis of those having a higher imprisonment rate, or those who have suffered, those who have been in the jail for a longer time have been granted bail at this point of time. And only, just to clarify, this bail is just till the pendency of the appeal. And if the appeal is dismissed, the bail would automatically be cancelled in the case.
Ananya, would you also give our viewers a better context, the background of this case, to try and understand why this announcement has come from the Supreme Court today?
Well, this case has come to the Supreme Court when certain of the accused actually wanted to seek bail after, the Gujarat government had told the Supreme Court that these people are involved into heinous offences and they should not be granted bail. Solicitor General Tushar Mehta had appeared for the Gujarat government and submitted this on the previous occasions. But since the matter was not being heard for a long time, the Supreme Court actually decided to grant this particular relief at this point of time.
Okay, Ananya, we'll leave the conversation there. Thanks a lot for getting us all those details. Shifting our focus.